Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2016 Aston Martin Rapide S? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2016 Aston Martin Rapide S safeguards and distributes power to critical engine and front-end electrical systems. It protects circuits such as cooling fans, headlights, ignition, and fuel systems from overload or short circuits. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2016 Aston Martin Rapide S powers and protects interior electrical components. It controls systems like the infotainment, climate control, power windows, and interior lighting. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box in the 2016 Aston Martin Rapide S supplies and protects electrical systems located at the back of the vehicle. It covers components such as the rear lights, power outlets, audio amplifier, and rear window defroster. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.